Hey, what's going on, everyone? Well, today I'm going to tell you what's going on. Well, I have a responsibility to my family, and I also have a responsibility to keep Hercules and I safe, that is the highest responsibility that I have, to keep us safe and make sure that we don't get in trouble. We don't get into an area where it's unsafe for us to go. So I opted to stay home today and actually do more research of where I wanted to go, but it didn't quite work out the way that I wanted it to. So I opted to stay home and to not only figure out where I'm going to go, but where I want to, how safe it is for Hercules and I to go. So, we were going to go to a place where I still want to go, but there was a fire that was north of where I wanted to go. So the safety standards that I set for myself is higher than a lot of people. I don't take risks for not only my safety, Hercules' safety, but other people's as well. So that's why I opted to stay home. So tomorrow is a different day. We are going to go someplace where I know that I can actually get out of, if need be. Ooh, she shocked me. And this is Ellie, my other doggy. So yeah, she has bad stinky breath. You need to lay down. Lay down. Not on me. Not on me. Okay. Alright, so that's the number one thing that I wanted to actually tell you guys. And I am sorry we didn't go. But we are going tomorrow no matter what. And plus I wasn't fully prepared. I always carry now an ice chest that I can use if need be for fish, food, whatever I need, and come back home and to be safe in. So tomorrow's a different day. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and we will be up in the mountains doing some exploration that's safe. So alright guys, talk to you guys tomorrow night. You'll see me in a vlog. I apologize to all of y'all because the risk over reward was too great. And I will not stress that safety is number one priority. I'm taking that one from a different guy that I actually used to, well, I still watch every once in a while, but it's my priority, and I keep it that way. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next one tomorrow. I'm sorry. Again, have a good one.